Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create folders. Folders are a great way to stay organized and keep all of your lessons, resources, and videos in one place. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, click Saved in the top banner and click Folders from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your Folders page. Click the blue button on the left that says New Folder. Give your folder a name. Maybe you're a private teacher who is looking to organize extra material for a student. So for example, we could call this Extra Material for Raquel. Give your folder a description if you would like, and click the blue Save button at the bottom. Now that the folder has been created, it's time to add material to it. As you browse through the site, look for the folder icon next to material you'd like to save. In each of our lesson categories, you can find the folder icon right below the lessons level. Once the folder icon is clicked, a list of all your existing folders will appear. Check off the box next to the folder you'd like to save the material to, and click the blue Save button. If you want to create a new folder, click the New Folder button, give the folder a name, make sure it's checked off, and then click the blue Save button again. If you only want the material to go into one folder and not the other, check off the box next to the folder you don't want the material to go into and click the blue Save button. There are a variety of resources on the site that can be added to your folder, or courses and study packs can be added by finding the course you're interested in and looking out for that folder icon right in the description. Flashcard categories can also be saved to folders by looking for the section on the left, choosing a category, and clicking the folder icon right next to the Add to Class button. Videos can be saved by looking for the folder icon right below the video, as well as blog posts that can be saved by looking out for the folder icon in the top right. Once you have finished saving all your material, you can go back to your folder by clicking Saved in the top banner and selecting Folders from the drop-down menu. This can be done from anywhere on the site. From your folders page, you can click the three dots next to any folder to share it with another teacher. This is only available if you are a part of an organization subscription. You can also pin it to your class, edit the details, including the name and the description of the folder, and delete it. That's it for this video on how to create folders. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.